This is the kitchen area here. Big window right here. Dining table. As you continue walking, and you see a closet right here. And this is the first bathroom here. This is the first bedroom. Very big windows right here, very sunny. And the closet space. And then this is the second bathroom here with the bathtub. And this is the second bedroom right here. It's a very good sized bedroom with big windows. And the first closet right here to the right. And then you have the second one to the left.